Alrighty guys, another short little video here, just looking at another example for maximum flow capacity. Again, we've got our directed network. We can see which way it's heading. Source over here on the left, and sink here at the end, okay, where everything flows from A and all flows towards node E there. Let's just start by heading up from A to B. We've got 4 units being passed on here. That's not the only one that's coming in to B, so we'll leave that one for the time being until we can find out exactly how much we've got from B that we can now pass on. From A across to E, that's straight across, so there's 5 units being passed across there. A down to D, we've got 3 being passed on here. That's the only one that's coming into D, so I can actually go and chuck a number 3 here. That's saying that I've now got 3 to pass on up towards B and then up towards E. So we've got a bit of a decision to make there. A down to C, we've got 7 coming down here. That's the only one coming into C, so I'm going to finalize that as 7 units coming into node C. Now I've got 7 available here. I've got a capacity, all right, to pass on 8, but obviously I can't do that. It's only going to be 7 that I can pass on. I can't all of a sudden just find another unit, or whatever it may be. So head back up. Let's start looking back up. We've got to sort of suss out sort of this part of our network here. Everything else is pretty well sorted. So into D here, we've got 3 units. Now, the demand coming from D, I've got 6 heading towards E here, and I've got a demand of 2 heading up towards B. Now, if we look up to B, at the moment, when we come out of B, so the outflow is a maximum of 3. At the moment, I've already got 4 coming in here to B, so I'm going to leave that, okay? And I'm not going to pass on anything coming out of D here. So there'll be nothing going from D to B, all right? Because I've got 4 units there, and the most I can pass on is actually 3, so that'll stay like that. Coming from D towards E, so up towards, just make sure you can see me referring to the right arc. So up towards this way, it says I've got a capacity for 6, but I've only got 3 units here. So that's going to be changed to 3, and I can only pass 3 on to E there. Now, the same situation here, where I've got 4 units at B, but I can only pass on 3. So that means I can only pass on 3 coming in here. Now what we've got the situation, we've got every arc heading into the sink, into node E, now has a value on it, and the maximum flow is now just a sum of 7 and 3 and 5 and 3, which will give us 18 units.